Hi guys, welcome to Teacher Chin. So today we'll discuss about ISAR Thiruvananthapuram. They have already announced their IPSD and PhD admission notification for 2021-2022. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. Before I start, I would like to say our channel is fully dedicated to them, those who wants to be a good teacher, professor, lecturer in their future. Here we discuss all teachers related studies, competitive exams and jobs. So I'll request everyone to please subscribe our channel and follow our social media sites so that whatever notification will come, you will get it easily. So you can see here, this is the official website for ISAR Thiruvananthapuram. So if you'll go little bit down, so here you can see latest announcement. So you can see here they have mentioned PhD and integrated PhD applications invited. So we have to click here. So here you can see PhD and integrated PhD application invited. Applications are invited through online mode from a highly motivated student for admission to PhD and integrated PhD programs in the School of Biological, Chemical, Mathematical and Physical Sciences for the session starting from August 2021. So you can see that first brochure is for PhD admission Varsa 2021 and second one is integrated PhD admission Varsa 2021. So we'll see the first PhD admission Varsa. So this is the detailed notification. So here you can see this is the instruction. We'll go through that instruction, then I require the documents, then apply now. If you want to apply, then you have to click here, then view, modify and applications. So now you can see here applications are invited from the highly motivated students for admission to PhD program. Then you can see here the Varsa 2021 semester. Candidates are required to apply through the online portal only. The online application portal will be open till 26th June 2021. It means this is the last date for online application, 26th June 2021. So those who want to apply for this position, then they can apply before 26th June 2021. And this is the link. If you want to apply for this PhD program, only PhD, I am not talking about the integrated PhD, only PhD program, then you have to apply here. Then we have to go a little bit down. Then eligibility criteria, you can see here they have mentioned 3 types of eligibility criteria. First one is like 7.5 CGPA out of 10 point with any bachelor's degree or master's degree. Then the candidate must have qualified at least US CSIR UGC or UGC NET or JRF or GATE any exam before 1st of August 2021. Then third one is those who have done BS, MS or Master something from like ISAR, IIT, IISc with CGPA 8 or above on more than 8 out of 10 point, then they are exempted from that written test. So you can read the details. So you can see now the schools, relevant area and eligibility criteria. Schools you can see here biological science. Relevant area is like biological science, chemical science, physical science, mathematics, bioinformatics, agricultural science, then veterinary science, a bachelor degree in medicines. Then you can see the eligibility criteria, general eligibility first and general eligibility 2, then general eligibility 3 or DBT JRF category. You can see all the details. So you should be come under this 3 category. In eligibility criteria, you just go through this 3 eligibility criteria. They have mentioned all these 3 criteria here. You have to fulfill eligibility criteria 1 or 2 or 3 like that they have mentioned. Now we will go second one, that chemical science. Chemical science eligibility criteria you can see 1 and 2 or 3. Then mathematical science, mathematics, statistics, engineering, relevant area of science. Then eligibility criteria 1 and 2 or 3. Then physical science, material science, engineering areas closely related to research area of School of Physics and IIS or TVM. So eligibility criteria 1, 2 or 3. So you can go through that. Like that, if you see the research area, School of Biological Science, the research area is they have mentioned here. You can do your research on this particular topic. So chemical science, you can see the details, what will be your research area. Then mathematical science, then physical science, then important dates. For biological science, selection procedure, you can go through that selection procedure. It is mandatory for all the candidates to submit a short research proposal of 300 to 400 words. So you have to submit a research proposal, why you want to do research on this particular topic. So you have to submit that. Then chemical science, marks based on the shortlisting and 2 rounds of online interviews. So they will shortlist the candidate for chemical science. Like mathematical science, applicants satisfying the above eligibility criteria will be shortlisted and be called for the online interview. The selection will be based on the performance during the interview. Then physical science, shortlisted candidate will be selected based on their performance in online interview. And these are the some dates you can see here, important dates. Online application portal opened from 25th May 2021 and the last date for receipt of online application is 26th June 2021. Okay, for biological science, the tentative interview date you can see here. For biological science, 7/9/2021, chemical science 12 to 15 July 2021, then mathematical science 12 to 14 July 2021, then physical science 12 to 13 July 2021, and mode of examination online interview. Then general instruction, you can go through this general instruction. Okay, so these are the details. Those who want to apply for this PhD program, they can go through this once or twice before applying. So now we'll go to integrated PhD. So this is the integrated PhD program. Here you can see the eligibility criteria, general eligibility criteria. Bachelor's degree in the relevant areas with minimum 55% mark. Okay, for general, OBC, non-creamier candidates and minimum 50% mark for SC, ST and PWD candidate. Then you can see the schools, biological science, chemical science, mathematical science, physical science. Then general eligibility, and the applicant should have qualified inter-JAM. Okay, they should qualify for biological science. For chemical science, only general eligibility. For mathematical science, general eligibility plus they have to clear that JAM exam. Then physical science, general eligibility plus they have to clear that JAM exam. So you can see here the selection procedure. School of Biological Science, candidate shortlisted on the basis of mark score ranks for each of the 2 streams will be required to appear 1 or 2 rounds of online interview. So you can go through it. Those who wants to do integrated PhD here, so they can go through all the details. Important dates you have to see that online application portal opened on 25th May 2021 and the last date for receipt of online application is 26th June 2021. Here you can see here also last date is 26th June. Here also for integrated PhD also last date is 26th June, and you can see the tentative dates for the interview. Then you will go a little bit down the general instruction. So just go through it. And those who wants to apply, then they can apply here, or those who wants to apply for PhD, they can apply here. I'll give you the link of these tools in my description. You can also direct access from there. So these are the details. Those who are interested, please apply here and subscribe our channel so that you will get all the notification as soon as possible. Thank you. All the best.